Starting with classes in the spring 2022 semester, there's a new integration available between Zoom and ShareStream, which allows class sessions that are scheduled within Canvas and then recorded to the cloud to be automatically transferred into the course's ShareStream collection. This integration will remove the need for downloading and uploading cloud recordings into ShareStream. Cloud recordings that are pushed into ShareStream will also automatically include closed captions and the ability to download chat files if those features were enabled within the Zoom meeting settings. And, since ShareStream is already integrated into Canvas, embedding a Zoom cloud recording into pages and modules becomes seamless. To get started, go to marketplace.zoom.us. Once on the Zoom App Marketplace homepage, click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. On the Sign In page, click the SSO button. In the company domain field, go ahead and type CSUCI and then click the Continue button. This will redirect you to a MyCI login page. Go ahead and enter your MyCI credentials and sign in as you normally would. You'll then be redirected to the Zoom App Marketplace home screen, and you'll know that you're signed in because you'll see your profile picture or your name in the upper right corner. Next, in the search field on the Zoom App Marketplace page, go ahead and search for ShareStream. Click the ShareStream app that comes up in the search results. Next, click the Visit Site to Install button. On the following page, you'll see a site address field that needs to be filled in. Go ahead and type csuci.sharestream.net and click Next. After clicking Next, you'll be signed in using your MyCI credentials and taken to the installation screen. On the installation page, go ahead and click the Authorize button at the bottom. After successfully installing the app, you'll see a screen saying that ShareStream is now connected with your Zoom account. You can now close this tab and start benefiting from having your Zoom cloud recordings automatically imported into your course's ShareStream collection.